It's like this. When you work for Brennan and Obama, okay, the world was yours. You can do anything you want and escape prosecution and justice. You spit in Jesus' eye and you mock justice system in the United States of America. You spit in Jesus' eye and you mock the legal system, the United States of America. You mock the Uniform Code of Military Justice. Hell, after that long distinguished career, what type of discharge? Is it an honorable discharge? I digress. This ain't cute. This ain't funny. How you gonna tell these local yokel gang stalkers you can't pay them? Federal authorities done cut off the bank account. You're already on film. Somebody with a wig going into forged my signature again. It's all caught on tape. How you gonna tell these fuck boys and fuck girl drug dealers you can't pay them? It's all hopium. Bullshit. 13818. The world was your oyster. Now, the world is looking at you and Brennan and Obama and Frankie and the focal point of LBJ's Great Society. All is one. Veteran charities. You've been briefed.